Yes, everyone, any question up to here?
Yes.
No, sir.
So we have to find the length. Now we have to find the circumference as well. So that's radius is 8. So circumference of a circle is circumference will be equal to 2 pi r, and the r is 8. So that will be 16 pi. So let's we have to find the total length. So total length will be equal to 37.699 plus 16 pi. Yes, that will be equal to
87.96.
87.96.
Six.
So three significant figure it is 87.80 because you need to be at them. So it is 88.0 meters. Because we have to be a simple answer, we have to leave the answer up to three significant figure or up to one decimal. Yes, everyone, it is clear. So look at here. First of
Yes,
all,
sir.
we have to find the area of the grass. That is this one. It is simple. 200.1. In the second part, he says that you need to be find the arc length, PQ, RS, and TU and VW. He want to be weighted as a white. In the same way, he's want to be paint circumference as a white as well. So I'm just going to be find the length of PQ, RS, TU, and VW, and this circumference. So we have to find PQ. First of all, we are going to be get 9.425. We have four such type of arc lengths. So multiply by 4 and plus the circumference, you are going to be getting the final answer. Okay, so the next question that is going to be asked, that is, yes, what is the next question?
11.
Question number 11. All right, we have to move to the question number 11. All right, the question number 11 is a semicircle of a diameter is 6 centimeter is cut from a rectangle with a side 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter, it is 8 centimeter. Calculate the perimeter of the shape, shaded shape correct to one's decimal place. All right, so he says that it is 8 centimeter, it is 6 centimeter. So what will be this length? Yes, anyone? The whole length is 8 centimeter. You have to be, it is 6 centimeter. What will be this one?
1 centimeter.
No, 2 centimeters. Overall, it is 2. I'm not sure they are, if they are equal, so it will be 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter here. If they are not equal, so it may be anything else. But we know that the total length is this length plus this length. That must be 2 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So calculate the perimeter of the shaded shape. Correct one significant figure. So we have to find the area, perimeter. So first of all, we have to start from this point. I'm moving towards upside. So we have 6 plus 8 plus 6 centimeter again, plus we have this is 2 centimeter, and plus the arc length, a semicircle. And obviously the semicircle is going to be 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. And r is, yes, what is the radius here? The diameter is given
3.
Two.
radius divided by 2, that will be 6 divided by 2, that will be
3.
So we have to substitute the value 3 here. So 2 will be cancelled out. We will get that. Yes, please all add all of these values.
28.
Yes, everyone, you're getting 28.
31.42.
31.42. Yes, any other one? Yes, Yasir. Light up. 31.42. So 31.4 will be the right answer. Yes, do the again calculation. I think you had to do some mistake. 31.4 is the right answer.
Yes, sir. 31.4.
Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Right. The next question that you have to be asked, that is question number 13. What is going to be here? It is from the trigonometry, the 3D trigonometry. It is not the question of the mensuration. And we have done it in the trigonometry. Let's see how to do it again. Okay, the diagram represent a pyramid with a square base 10 centimeter. The diagonal AC and BD meet at M. And I told you, if you have a square base, the diagonal of a square always meet at the center, means they are going to bisect and perpendicularly bisect. Means DM will be equal to MB and MA is equal to MC. And second thing, they are going to be making a 90-degree angle. They are perpendicularly bisect. We have to calculate the length of BD. So it's very simple. We need to be just focus on this triangle. It is a square, so means this angle must be 90-degree. So we have to use the Pythagoras theorem here to find the length of BD. Because we have know that in a right angle triangle, we have two options. We have to use the Pythagoras theorem or trigonometric ratios. We have to use Pythagoras theorem because two sides are given. We have to find the third one. Yes, what is the name of the side that is going to be opposite to 90-degree?
Hypotenuse.
That
Opposite.
no, hypotenuse. If you are taking any other angle, let's say I'm going to be taking this angle, so this side will be opposite. Or if you are going to be taking this angle B, so this side will be opposite. Okay. All right. So let's see how to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that the length square is equal to the sum of the square of two other sides. So 10 square plus 10 square. Yes, that will be equal to
14.14.
14 point
14.14.
4. So to one three significant figure, it is 14.1 centimeter. In the next part, he says that you have to be calculate the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid means this is the length that in this dotted line you need to be find it. Okay, so how we can find it? This is given that it is 8 centimeter, the inclined height. It is 8 centimeter. Let's have to make this triangle outside. It is P to M, B, and this one. So it is P, it is B. Let's say it is O. It will be O. It is given 14.1. Yes, 14.1 divided by 2. That will be 7.05,
7.0.
I think.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
7.05. I have to take the half. This is the height that we need to be find, and it is given. So look at here, we have two finds, we need to be find a third one. So we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem again. Yes, which side is hypotenuse here?
8.
8 is hypotenuse. So 1 second, I will take this one down. We have 8 square is equal to the sum of the square of other sides, means h square plus 7.05 square. Most of the students are just going to be take the unknown square is equal to the sum of the square of other sides. That's wrong. You always take the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of other sides. Now 7.05 whole square is positive here. On the other side it will be negative. Now I want to be remove the square root, so I'm going to be taking a square on square. So remove taking a square root, sorry, on both sides. Because we have a square on h, I want to remove it. So I'm going to be taking a square root on both sides. Yes, that will be equal to
2.78.
3.78.
2.78 centimeter.
Sir, I got 3.78.
Yes, sir, me too.
Okay, 3.78. All right. So 3.78. All right. Yes, what is the next question?
Sir, 15.
The next one is 15. All right, question number 15. The diagram shows a sector of a circle of a radius 8 centimeter. The angle of a sector is x degree. Okay. The perimeter of the sector is 6 plus 14 pi centimeter. Find the value of the x. Hmm. So we have the given information is that you have a value of the pi perimeter. So the perimeter of the shape is equal to 2 times 8, means this radius and this radius, and plus the arc length, plus angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Yes, sir, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Because the perimeter is equal to the radius, so 2 multiplied by 8 plus arc length, not multiply, it's plus arc length. So arc length is angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So perimeter is given, that is 16 plus 14 pi is equal to 16 plus angle divided by 360 into 16 pi. Alright, so 16 is simply cancel out, or just take it on the other side. I can't cancel out, but 16 is cancel out. We are going to get 14 pi multiplied by 360 divided by 16 pi is equal to x. Yes, it is clear. First of all, I have to cancel out the 16. 360 is dividing, it will be multiply, and 16 pi is multiply, it will be divided here. Yes, please find the final answer of x.
315.
315. 315. The x is basically angle, so 315 degree. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the next question? Question number 20, right?
17.
Okay, 17 as well. Okay, so the diagram shows a square of a side k. Okay, it is k, it is k, it is k, everything is k. All right, so if I'm going to be take the radius, yes, what is the radius? Radius will be, yes, everyone, what is the value of the radius?
K square.
No. What is k? Obviously, from here to here, it is a diameter, right? And that is exactly same value, right?
Yes.
So we want to be find the radius. So what we have to do, we have to take the half. So the radius
K
will
over
be
2.
k over 2. Okay, now he says that the shaded area is equal to this one. So first of all, we need to be find the shaded area. Shaded area is equal to area of a square minus area of a circle. Area of a square means simply the length square means k square minus area of a circle is pi r square and r is k by 2. Yes, any question up to here?
No, sir.
And it is given that the shaded area is A. So I have to write the value A. Obviously, okay, now take the square minus k square divided by 4 pi. I, I just want to remove 4 from the denominator. So I'm going to be multiply by 4 on both sides. So 4 multiplied by A is equal to 4 multiplied by k square minus 4 multiplied by k square divided by 4 pi. So 4 will be cancelled out with 4. We are getting the final answer. 4a is equal to 4k square minus k square pi. So this is the thing that we need to be proof. Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have practiced till question number 20 or the rest of all of them
Yes,
you have
sir.
done?
No, sir. Sir, till 20.
Okay. Okay, in this one we have to find the total surface area of the pyramid. So when we have to find total surface area, we have to check that how many things are going to be here. So first of all, we have a bottom square, all right? And obviously it is a square. This means that all of these triangles are equal. This one, this back one, and this on the left side. In short, we need to be find the area of a square and area of this triangle. So automatically we are going to get the surface area, the outer side area. Okay, so area of a square we can simply find to find the area of this triangle. Yes, how we can find it?
1 over 2 base into height.
Yes, we have two formulas. We have 1 by 2 base into height. But the problem was we have the base, we don't have the height. You don't have to take this one height. It is the height of the pyramid, not the height of the triangle, okay? Because this length and this length must be meeting
Yes,
and
sir.
making a 90-degree angle. So we need to find this height first. Yes, how we can find it?
Sir, Pythagoras theorem.
By using Pythagoras theorem. So we don't have this height as well, this length as well. How we can find this one?
Sir, half of 6.
We have to take half of 6. Why you have to take it as a half? Because obviously it is the height and it is a square face pyramid, so we can conclude that it must be the half, so this equals 3 centimeter. So let's I have to give the name PO. So the PO will be equal to the square root of 4 square plus 3 square. Yes, the length of PO will be equal to
5.
that will be equal to 5 centimeter. So it is 5 centimeter. Now you can clearly see that we have the length, we have the base, and we have the height. And we have such type of four triangles. So the total surface area is equal to area of a square plus 4 times area of a triangle. Yes, this statement is clear because we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area will be the square area and one triangle, two triangle, three triangle, and four triangle. And the good thing for these triangles are exactly equal. So that's why we have to multiply 4 multiplied by area of triangle. Yes, this statement is clear.
Yes, sir.
So area of a square will be 6 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by base 1 by 2 base into height. So the base is 6 and the height is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 4. 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. 12 multiplied by 5 will be 60. And 60 plus 36 will be equal to
96.
96. So we are going to get the exact answer 96 centimeter square. So basically the surface area is basically the outer surface area, the whole outer surface area of any shape, any 3D shape. If it is 2D shape, so obviously we have to say that it is area, but it is 3D shape, so we have to say that it is a surface area. Yes, any question?
No, sir.
No.
All right, so let's we have to do the next question. Okay, the next question is the sphere of the radius r fit exactly inside the cylinder of the radius r. Means the radius of a cylinder and the radius of a sphere is exactly equal. And the height is equal to 2r. Okay, it is given that it is 2r. Calculate the percentage of a cylinder occupied by a sphere. Calculate the percentage of cylinder occupied by sphere. Okay, we have to find a percentage. We did not done it the percentage, but obviously we have to find the percentage of the sphere of a cylinder occupied by sphere. So means we have to take the volume of the sphere divided by volume of cylinder multiplied by 100. It is same as, for example, if you are getting that you have a test, and the test is you are getting the total marks are 100 and you are getting 50 marks. How you will get find the percentage? Obtain marks divided by total marks multiplied by 100, right? So in the same way, he says that you have to find the percentage of one quantity with respect to another one. So in the numerator, we have to take the volume of sphere divided by the volume of cylinder. I have to write this statement from here because he said that you have to calculate the percentage of cylinder occupied by a sphere. So the sphere is volume of sphere divided by volume of cylinder multiplied by 100. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by the volume of cylinder is, yes, volume of cylinder is, it's a prism shape, so pi r square base area multiplied by height, and height is given, that is 2r. All right, so that will be equal to 2 pi r cube. So divided by 2 pi r cube, that is the volume of cylinder multiplied by 100. So r cube will be cancelled out with r cube, pi will be cancelled out with pi, so we will get 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100. Just please find the value.
So 66.6, 66.7%.
66.7%. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, everyone, please do this question on your notebook and send me your working. Or if you are not able to, then tell me the final answer. It is a very simple question. You have to find the shaded area. It is a triangle and it is a sector. So sector area minus area of triangle. Yes, what is the formula to find the area of triangle? 1 by 2, the product of two sides into sine of their included angle. And the area of a sector is equal to angle divided by 360 into pi r square. Yes, please do it and tell me the final answer. Question number 22. Yes, everyone, you are doing the question.
Yes, sir. I have done. I'm just sending it.
Yes, Fajar, you see the picture. Mm-hmm. Oh, this one. Mm. Yes, that's good. Yes, everyone, there is anyone who did not get the right answer. 4.32 is the right answer.
Sir, I got 4.34.
4.34?
Yes.
I think you're doing some mistake in the calculation. You have to round off the values.
Yes.
Just substitute. If you are going to be, for example, if you are finding this value, then write the value at least 4 to 5 decimal places. At least 4 decimal places.
Okay.
Okay. And then obviously we will simplify, so you are getting the more accurate answer. And the menstruation topic, obviously the pi is included here. So the mostly the questions are going to be from the calculator. So substitute the whole value into the calculator and find the exact answer. Yes, try again and check that you are getting the same answer. Yes, there is anyone who getting a different answer. So we'll move to the next topic. Next person, sorry. Yes, Yasir, Anisha, Ibrahim, Imaz, Ayan, Shijan, Malaika. You're getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, same
Ayan,
answer.
Abhiyan, you're getting the same answer as well. Okay. Okay, so now we have the next question. The perimeter of the rectangle is same the length of the circumference. We have to find the radius. It's very simple. You have to take the rectangle, means 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to pi r square. From here, you have to find the value of r. You have to do it after the class. Uh, yes, this is an interesting one. Okay, the diagram shows a solid prism of the length 15 centimeter. The cross section of the prism is semicircle of the radius 4 centimeter. Calculate the total surface area. So look at here, we have the surface area is a rectangle, a semicircle, And obviously, when you have to be open this curved path, you will get a rectangle as well. When you will open it, you are getting that the length will be 15 centimeter, but this length is basically this circumference. Means that will be half of pi r, means just pi r. Yes, everyone, you get it? When you open this curved path, means this whole curved path, you will open it, so you are going to be getting a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 15, and the width is this circumference, the half. So that is going to be 1 by 2 pi r, 1 by 2 into pi r. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So the total surface area is equal to area of semi circle multiplied by 2, because obviously you have the area on this end and on this end as well, plus area of rectangle that is on the top, plus area of curved surface. The area of a semicircle is half of pi r square. The area of a rectangle is, obviously it is 4. The total will be 8, and the length is 15. Length multiplied by width plus area of the curve is basically a rectangle as well. That is 1 by 2 into 2 pi r multiplied by 15. Yes, everyone, this statement is clear.
Yes, sir.
I'm substituting the value. Radius is 4 square plus the length multiplied by width, the top rectangle basically, that is 8 multiplied by 15. We just have to be make a color. This top one, okay? This top rectangle. And
Sir,
plus
what
this,
is 8 centimeter?
what is?
8 centimeter.
The 8 is this length. Obviously, the radius is 4, the diameter will be 8, and the diameter of a circle is basically the width of the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that's why I have to write 8 multiplied by 15. This one. A semicircles, this one, and multiply by 2 because you have this one as well. And now this curved path. So pi r is 4 multiplied by 15. Yes, please use a calculator. Tell me the final answer.
$358.76.
58.76 centimeter square. Up to 3 significant figure, it is 359.
359.
Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, everyone, just do the last question. It's a very easy, and we are going to end the class. You have a bigger circle, you have a small circle, it just look like a disc. Bigger is 6 centimeter, a smaller radius is 0.5. You have to find the shaded area. That is simply the area of a bigger circle minus area of a small circle. Yes, please find the final answer and tell it to me.
Sir, shall we send the picture or
Just tell me the final answer. It's a simple question.
112.3?
100,
12.3.
112.3 centimeter square. Yes, that is the right answer. Yes, there is anyone who getting the different answer? And of the three significant figure, it is 112. Yes, anyone who's getting the different answer?
Yes.